Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download free download extension into your Windows 11 and Windows 10. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you need to come over your Google Chrome, and then you just need to come over your search options and you just need to search for free download extension. You can see free download manager extension. Click on that. And here is a link from Google Web Store. If you click on that, you will come into the Chrome Web Store and you will get the free download manager over here. So if you now click on the app to Chrome and click on add extension, it will automatically connect it with your Google Chrome extension. You can see this is the icon. So now if you try to download any of videos, like I'm showing you Pixabay, and if I want to download any images from here, so just for a demo, if I choose this dog picture and if I try to download it, click on download, and you can see this is the download manager interface showing. And if you click on the download, you can see this picture will be downloaded with this free download extension, and it will be much faster than before also. So if you click on that picture, or if you click on this folder icon, and if you open this picture, you can see you downloaded the picture. So we can download it any of file or any of things you want to download by this free download manager. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.